Hey guys, this is Patricia Elizee from the Elizee Law Firm. Today we're going to speak about what to do if your immigration case is denied. What are the steps that you can take to reunite with your family members? Love may know no borders, but immigration law, oh, that's definitely, they do. So what happens when your visa application is denied? Right when you're trying to build a future with the person you love in the United States, right? So what happens if your petition is denied and you don't know where to go from there? If this just happened to you, take a deep breath. I know you're devastated. This feels like, man, here's one more thing that went wrong. But isn't the end of your love story. It doesn't have to be far from it. You still have options. And that's actually what we're going to be speaking about today in this video. So if you know anyone in the same situation, please make sure to share this video with them. The first step you should take is obviously understanding why you were denied in the first place. First thing first, don't guess. Read thoroughly. Read the official denial letter carefully. It usually comes as a actual denial notice, a denial letter, right? Here are some of the most common reasons for denials. Either missing paperwork, providing incorrect paperwork, not providing enough evidence that your relationship is a bona fide relationship or a real relationship, or maybe there's been past immigration issues or a criminal issue in the case. Concerns, you might become a public charge if the case was approved. Maybe there are medical or security related and eligibility issues. Knowing exactly why you were denied is key to configuring and figuring out what to do next. Step 2 is to decide whether you're going to file an appeal or file a motion to reopen or to reconsider. If the denial was based on an error or a misunderstanding, like missing documents that you did submit, you might be able to file an appeal or a motion to reopen or a motion to reconsider. But not every case qualifies to file an appeal or a motion. You'll definitely want to speak and talk to a qualified immigration attorney to see if this is the right move for you and your family. The next step, which is step 3, is to consider reapplying with stronger evidence. Sometimes it's best to start from scratch, start fresh with a stronger, more complete application, especially if the issue was proof of the relationship, right? Here's what can help. For example, we can have photos of you guys together over the years, right? Joint bank accounts, leases, utility bills. It'd be great to have affidavits from family and friends attesting to what they know of your relationship, chat logs, emails, flight records, anything that really shows and documents your love story. The more detailed, the more consistent and genuine your documentation is, the better your chances on the second try. Apply for a waiver, step 4, if needed. If your denial was due to past immigration violations, a criminal record, or a health issue, you may need to file, if you qualify for it, a waiver of inadmissibility. This is essentially asking the United States government to make an exception and let you in despite having an issue that makes it that you're ineligible for the green card. These kind of cases are not easy and they do take time, but they are definitely possible to win, especially when you can show hardship to your U.S. partner. Step 5 is explore other visa options. Just because one visa didn't work doesn't mean that you're out completely of options of coming to the U.S. legally. There could be another path for you and your partner to take. Now, some people may qualify for a fiancé visa, better known as a K-1 visa, if you're not yet married. There are other family-based green cards if another relative can sponsor you. There's also employment-based visas if a U.S. employer can offer you a job and sponsor you for the visa. And there's also humanitarian parole reasons for emergency situations that you may want to request to be considered under the humanitarian umbrella. Every case is different, and sometimes the solution is one you haven't yet considered. Step 6, get legal advice, get legal help. This stuff is complicated. The immigration forms, the requirements, the consistently changing policies. That's why it's so important to speak to an experienced immigration attorney who can look at your specific case, explain your legal options, and guide you step by step. Yes, attorneys do cost money, but when your future, right? When your future and the future with your spouse or your significant others on the line, it can be the best investment that you made for yourself. I hope that you guys found this video to be helpful. And remember, a denied visa is not the end of the world. It's definitely not the end of your love story. Stay calm, stay informed, and stay connected to your loved ones. Because where there's love, there's always a way to move forward. Make sure to like and subscribe and share for more immigration support. If this video helped you, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more guidance on your path to reunification. Thank you guys.